Are you planning a solo adventure trip to take a break from your hectic work life? Presenting the Tank Boost from Veger Power with the LED digital display. It's convenient to check the battery level. The built-in LED flashlight supports 3 modes, lighting up your night and helping you get through blackout. It can fast charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch and an iPad Pro at full speed. It can be fully recharged itself in only 3.5 hours. With a total of 5 output ports, you can charge 5 devices at the same time. You can charge your mobile workstation in an efficient and convenient way. Never worry about low battery and charge your devices anywhere and anytime. It has 56,000 milliamperes massive capacity, but in a compact size and weighs about only 2.3 pounds. Easy to carry inside your bag. Its USB-C output supports 100 watts PD fast charging, so that it can charge your MacBook Pro 16 inches at the same speed as the original power adapter. So it's your ideal companion when you go camping, hiking, or on a long trip. Just simply plug in, then start to enjoy and record every memorable moment of your life. Tank Boost, your mobile power specialist from Veger Power.